Today we are going to discuss one of the three topics left of the chapter alternating current, and that topic is resonant circuits. So here we are having an LCR circuit and which is being fed with a AC voltage, that is V is equal to V naught sine omega t. So what is a resonant circuit? A circuit is said to be in resonance if the applied voltage, means the voltage being applied to the circuit is equal to the natural frequency of the circuit. If this condition is met, then the circuit is known as a resonant circuit. So this is an LCR circuit और हमें पता है LCR circuit की impedance किससे given होती है? The impedance of the LCR circuit is given by Z is equal to under root of R square plus omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square. R is the resistance, L is the inductance, C capacitance है और ओमेगा हमारी क्या है? एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड एट द रेजोनेंस जो हमारी ओमेगा एल की वैल्यू है, जब हमारी जो रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी कब अटेन होती है एलसीआर सर्किट में? जब हमारी इंडक्टिव रिएक्टेंस और जो कैपेसिटिव रिएक्टेंस है वो आपस में इक्वल होती है, then the condition for the resonance is attained in an LCR circuit. So when omega L will be equal to 1 upon omega C, then the resonance will be attained. और इस केस में जो impedance है that will be equal to the resistance, और जो हमारी frequency है, resonant frequency है, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root of LC. Now here we are discussing two graphs. The first graph is showing the variation of current and frequency. So you can see that at the resonant frequency, that is F naught, the current is maximum. In the second graph, it is showing the variation of the impedance and the frequency. Here we can see that at the resonant frequency, the impedance is minimum. So when the resonance condition is obtained, then the current which is flowing through the circuit is maximum and the impedance of the circuit is minimum. So now we will discuss the characteristics of the series resonant circuit. There are 5 characteristics. The first characteristic is in the series resonant circuits, the voltage and the current are in phase. Means there is no phase difference between the voltage and the current in the series resonant circuit. The second characteristic is the impedance in the series resonant circuit is minimum. If the impedance is minimum, impedance क्या होता है? एक तरह से obstruction ही होता है to the flow of current. If impedance is minimum, then the current in the circuit will be maximum. So the third characteristic is the current is maximum in the resonant series circuit when the resonance is obtained. Next is the potential difference across the inductor and capacitor is higher than the applied potential difference. And the last characteristic is that the change in resistance has no effect on the resonant frequency. Means अगर हम circuit में resistance को change भी कर देते हैं, it has no effect on the resonant frequency. Next we have the use of series resonant circuit. कि जो series resonant circuit है वो कहाँ use होता है? The series resonant circuit is being used in the radio receivers. जो भी हमारे रेडियो रिसीवर्स होते हैं उसमें हमारे पास यूज होता है. इसमें हमारे पास क्या होता है? एक इंडक्टर होता है और एक वेरिएबल कैपेसिटर होता है. Here you can see we have shown the symbol for the variable capacitor. अब इसमें क्या है कि जब हम रेडियो की नोब को घुमाते हैं, then the capacitance of the circuit changes and the capacitance varies till it matches with the frequency of a given चैनल. जो भी चैनल है, जो भी हम रेडियो पे चैनल सुनते हैं, आपको पता है जो एफएम पे चैनल होते हैं, हर एक चैनल की अपनी अलग अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है। सो जब हम इसमें कैपेसिटेंस को वेरी करते हैं, तो जब ड्यू टू चेंज इन कैपेसिटेंस it tunes with the particular channel, and after it is tuned with the particular channel, जब उसकी जो frequency होगी it will be resonant to the that of the channel, then we are able to hear the programs which are being broadcasted on that channel. So in this way we use the series resonant circuits to hear a particular channel on the radio. Next, we are going to discuss alternating current generator. So first of all, we will discuss the principle of the alternating current generator. It works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. That is, whenever a closed coil, जो हमारा closed coil है ABCD, is rotated rapidly in a strong magnetic field. और वो स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं? दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द टू पोल्स ऑफ द मैग्नेट, नॉर्थ पोल एंड द साउथ पोल, विच शोन इन द फिगर. In a strong magnetic field, the number of magnetic field lines passing through the coil changes continuously. मतलब अगर नंबर ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस चेंज होंगी मींस फ्लक्स चेंज होगा. फ्लक्स चेंज होगा तो देयर विल बी एन इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ, एंड ड्यू टू दैट इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ अ करंट विल बी इंड्यूस्ड इन द सर्किट. दिस इज द रफ डायग्राम ऑफ द एसी जनरेटर. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ an armature coil ABCD, which is a rectangular coil which have a large number of insulated copper wire wound over a soft iron core. N and S, which are shown in the figure, are the parts of a permanent magnet. These two provides a strong magnetic field. और जो हमारा आर्मेचर कॉइल है that is ABCD, it is placed with the axis perpendicular to the magnetic field. और जब perpendicular to the magnetic field होगा तभी उसमें जो induced EMF होगा that will be maximum in that case only. So जो एक्सिस है उसकी, जो कॉइल की एक्सिस है और जो हमारी उसकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की एक्सिस है, दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर. अब हमारे पास क्या है? दो रिंग्स हैं R1 एंड R2, और ये जो दो रिंग्स हैं दीज रोटेट द आर्मेचर कॉइल. और जो हमारे इसमें रोटेशंस होती हैं, द रोटेशंस आर as the armature coil rotates at a very fast speed with its axis perpendicular to the magnetic field of the magnet, then the EMF is induced, and that EMF induces a current in the circuit. और जो current है it passes by the brushes B1 B2 to the terminals. अब ये जो terminal है, the device which has to be lighted is being connected between these two terminals. So generator is basically a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So today we have studied the principle and what are the basic components of the AC generator, that is the magnet and armature coil, the brushes and the two rings R1 and R2. These are the basic components of the AC generator. Now tomorrow we will do the working of the AC generator, and then we will discuss the transformer. That will end this chapter. Okay students, that's all for today.